Hey guys, this is Ted with SCD Raceway. We're going to review these two beautiful Scalextric Mustangs. I'll give you some more details, but we're going to do it while they're running around the track. This beautiful red and gold 1965 Mustang, number 6, owned and driven by Alan Mann Racing, went on to win the British Saloon Car Championships in 1965. This car is beautifully scaled with nice details. It has front headlights illuminated and rear illuminated tail lights. Beautiful car, a must-have if you're a Mustang collector. The black and gold 65 Mustang is absolutely a wonderful paint job. In this livery, a number 47, I can't find any real history of it racing, but it's just a wonderful paint job that Scalextric did. It is reminiscent of the Hertz rent-a-car racers of the 1960s, but other than that, no other race history. We do have illuminated front headlights, illuminated rear tail lights, and digital chip ready on both these Mustangs. Both of these cars run absolutely fantastic right out of the box, ready to go, very smooth, very quiet, and very fast. Both these cars are still available. I know they're not new releases, but they are new to me, and they are available for all the Ford Mustang enthusiasts. Enjoy them, have a good time with them. This is Ted with SCD Raceway. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, fellas.